Am I the only one that has noticed this? So sometimes when I want to buy a stock and I check for the price of that stock on one platform and then compare it to the price of the same stock on another platform at the same time, I find out that the prices are a little bit different. I don't know if you guys have noticed it, but yes, it happens. For example, this morning I was checking Access Holding and the price of it on one platform was 27 naira 55 kobo. However, the price of Access Holding on another platform at the same time was 27 naira 60 kobo. That's a 5 kobo difference. Again, I checked the price of these securities and ETF on one platform and the price was $415, no cents. I checked the price of this same ETF on another platform and it was $413.76. That is about $1.24 difference. So the question is, why do we have these differences? I mean, it's the same company, it's the same stocks, and you're checking them at the same time. Why are there differences in the prices quoted on the two platforms? In this video, I'm going to explain to you why these price differences exist so that you don't get confused when you're trying to trade or buy stocks. The first reason why these price differences might exist is update frequency. So some brokers or different brokers have different update frequencies. So some brokers update their platform or the prices on their platform every 15 minutes or every 20 minutes or every 1 hour, depending on how much access they have to the data they have. However, some brokers update on a real-time basis. So for example, if you look at the screen here, you can see that for this share, which is Tesla, when I did a screen record, the price of this share is changing like almost 2 times within a second. However, at the same time, I was also recording another platform which also has Tesla shares and the price has not moved in like 10 seconds. So you can see that the first platform maintains real-time updates. That is, they update the prices of their shares as the prices change. However, the second platform might maintain maybe a 10 minutes or a 15 minutes frequency, so they update every 10 minutes or every 15 minutes and they don't capture the changes that happen within this time range. So if you want to buy shares and you go to the first platform and then go to the second platform at the same time, you might find out that the prices of the same company you want to buy are not the same. The second reason why there might be differences across platforms is data source. Some platforms, they source data from third-party providers. They don't source their stock data directly from the stock exchange, and because of this, there will always be a lag or there will always be a difference between the data you find on those kind of platforms and platforms that feed data directly from the stock exchange. So feeding data directly from the stock exchange is better because it is more real-time, it is more reliable and more up-to-date. However, it is more expensive. That is why most platforms have to rely on third-party data providers to update the prices on their platform. A third reason why this might happen is trading hours. So there are some platforms that use extended trading hours, and what I mean is that these platforms, they trade outside the regular market trading hours. For example, in Nigeria, the trading hour is between 10 a.m. and 2:30 p.m. So some platforms, they allow their users to buy and even execute trades when the market is closed. So if this happens and you are trying to check or compare prices when this extended trading hour is in place, you might find out that the price on that platform will be different from the price you find on other platforms that use the regular market trading hours. These are some of the reasons why you find out that the price of one stock on one platform is different from the price of that same stock on another platform. So when you see these price differences, don't get scared. Don't think there is something fishy. Just know that it might be as a result of data source differences, trading hours differences, or other reasons. However, if you really want to get the actual live quoted price of these stocks, you can easily just go to the stock exchange website. In Nigeria, you can go to the Nigerian Stock Exchange website. For UK, you can go to the London Stock Exchange website, and they always have the live price of each stock quoted at all times. If you want to learn more about investing in simple and clear terms, then follow this page. I am Olivia, a chartered financial analyst, and on this platform I make finance and investing simple and easy for everyone to understand. Don't forget to like and share this video. Leave a comment for me below, and I'll see you in the next one.